First, use the installation drawings to place the two curved pillars and connect them with the eave joint. Secure tightly with screws. Thread beam B into the eave joint to connect them. Then use an electric screwdriver to tighten the screws. The installation method is the same as the remaining curved pillars. Just install them in order. After installed, stand up the framework. Then install the 6-beam A. To install the outer fabric, pull it from the other side until it is in the correct position. Adjust the position. Install the zipper door. Stick on the Velcro.